Oh, right. Hello all, this is David from Sunward Hobbies, here for part 2 of YouTube's favorite game show, Guess the Celebrity on the Revell box art. Yes, I managed to find 5 more kits where the celebrity lookalikes on them are just uncanny. So, are you ready to play? Let's go. This first one's a big one. Our first question. He started his career as a child prodigy of the Mickey Mouse Club, and ironically, he starred in a movie where he used a car to kill people. The answer is Kurt Russell. Next question. Might be a little difficult to tell from the tinted windows, but I'm sure you'll get it. He is most famous as an actor, but he is also an Academy Award-winning director, and he has some questionable opinions about people in Hollywood. The answer is Mel Gibson. Question number 3. This actor played one of the most famous superheroes in 3 movies, and he was known for having a total meltdown on a cinematographer on the set of one of his projects. The answer is Christian Bale. For question number 4, we're actually going to be looking at the passenger, not the driver, because I have no idea who he looks like. Anyway, this actress is arguably more well known for her TV work than her films, and she is known to play the piano and the ukulele. Answer is Zooey Deschanel. And question 5, I once again saved the easiest one for last. This guy rose to prominence in the early 2000s, and he is well known for having a beautiful singing voice. The answer? Chris Daughtry. That's correct, isn't it? In conclusion, I hope you enjoyed this next round of this quiz, as there will not be a part 3 unless Revell makes a bunch of new kits in the immediate future. So let us know how you did in the comments, and while you're at it, feel free to pick up any one of these kits at Sunward Hobbies, in store or online. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, follow us on our socials, and until the next one, adios. Now, what celebrity do I look like? John Cusack.